If you want to make $10,000 a month, that's just $322 a day, about 10 sales daily. One of the best and easiest ways to reach this goal is by selling digital products. They're beginner-friendly, require little to no investment, no inventory, and offer high profit margins, often 100%. Why digital products? Once you create a digital product, you can sell it an unlimited number of times. It becomes a digital asset that can generate passive income for years. If you use free traffic sources, which I'll show you, your profit margins are almost entirely yours. With AI tools available today, even beginners can get started quickly. I'll show you 3 simple steps to start your own digital product business today. Step 1. Create a digital product. Your digital product can be a PDF, guide, checklist, or video, anything downloadable and valuable. You don't need to be an expert, just know more than your target customer and focus on solving a problem. Ideas include mindset hacks for moms, health and fitness tips, faith-based guidance, cooking guides, personal life lessons. Pick a niche and define your audience. Then let AI help you create the product. I recommend a tool called Trend Assist AI. You can ask it for trending product ideas, ebook titles, and even have it write the ebook for you. For example, you can input, "I'm a mom teaching mindset hacks. Give me 10 ebook title ideas." Pick a title and ask it, "Write an ebook called Positive Mom Mindset Hacks for Optimistic Living." In seconds, you'll have a full ebook. Step 2. Design and set up your online store. Use Canva to design your ebook using free templates. Just copy and paste content from Trend Assist AI, customize the cover, and download a mock-up image for your store listing. Instead of selling on Etsy, which takes fees and limits business growth, I recommend building your own store using Hostinger. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and charges 0% transaction fees. Plus, it includes an AI website builder. Steps to launch. Choose the business plan recommended for e-commerce tools. Pick a domain, for example, mamamindset.store. Let AI generate your site. Customize using drag and drop. Upload your ebook, set the title, description, and price. Use Hostinger's built-in AI to help with product descriptions. Set up payments via Stripe or PayPal. Click Go Live. Your site is ready. Step 3. Get sales with free marketing. Skip paid ads, especially as a beginner. Many people waste money without results. I grew my business by mastering organic marketing, using free social media platforms. You don't need a huge following or to show your face. Start from scratch, stay consistent, and use smart content strategies. One viral post can change everything. I also created 2 free YouTube courses. A slow, detailed tutorial on setting up your digital product business. A full marketing course on organic traffic strategies. Watch those for deeper guidance. Final tips. Don't expect overnight success. Be patient and keep learning. Study what others are doing. Productive scrolling helps. There's no such thing as an oversaturated niche. You are your brand. No one can replicate your story, style, or experiences. If you stay consistent and follow these steps, you can build a successful digital product business and potentially transform your financial life. For more support, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.
Good luck on your journey!